Hey, what's up? My name is Cody Birch, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a course in SamCart. A few weeks ago, I decided to move my courses out of Teachable into SamCart, and there's a few reasons I chose to do that. One is the seamless integration between the sales experience and then getting access to the course content. The other is the ability to have cross-sells inside your course. So this is an inexpensive course I sell. It's only $5. But right inside the course, I've got these two cross-sells that people can buy. This course is about how to launch a product, and this course is about how to send better email, and this course is how to grow your email with a high-converting ad campaign. When they click Unlock Now, it goes to the sales page, and they can make that purchase there as well. I'm going to make a new course today, and this is course content I already have. I called this course Ads for Launching. This is how I run ad campaigns when I'm launching a new product. So I'm going to click on Create New Course. If you already have a SamCart account, you just go into Apps and go to the Courses app. That's included with every level of SamCart. And if you want to give SamCart a try, just go to codybirch.com/SamCart for a free trial, and you can come in here and play around with it. So you click on the Courses app, and it looks something like this. You see your course library, and I've moved over 9 courses so far, and I've got a few more to go. But I wanted to show you how easy this is. So you click on Create New Course. You give your course a name. This is called Ads for Launching. Quick course synopsis, and you can add more stuff later if you want. I just want to show you the basics. I'm going to add a course thumbnail. Click on Upload. I've got my logo over here. I'm just going to drag it over, select it, click Insert Image. Now I've got my course thumbnail, got my course description and course title. Next, I'm going to go to Units and Lessons and create a new unit. This is pretty straightforward. I do a lot of these more mini courses. I don't usually have a lot of huge flagship courses. So let's just assume this is one module and there's 8 lessons inside this module. So I'm going to click on Add New Lesson, and I'm going to title them the names of the videos over here. So this is going to be called Introduction, Add New Lesson. Now that I have one module and I have the 8 lessons in here, I just need to upload the videos, and they make it really simple. When you click on Edit, now I'm editing lesson number 1. This is the introduction lesson. I'm going to click on Add Content, Add Video, and then click here to upload video, and then just drag and drop this over. It takes a few minutes to upload the video, and it's ready to go. So you don't have to embed another player like in Vimeo or Wistia or YouTube. You upload the video directly to SamCart, which makes it really easy. Now that it's uploaded, I just make sure it's selected, and I go down here and click Insert Video. It's queued for processing, and it's encoding the video right now. Also, if you have any downloads, quizzes, or worksheets, you can add those as well. And don't forget to mark your course lesson published from draft and hit Save. Now I'm going to go and add the other 7 videos. Just click on Edit on this lesson, Add Content, Add Video, select and upload, and now upload video number 2. All right, I've now uploaded the 8 videos. I've got an extra lesson in here. I can just delete this lesson. It's one too many. And I'm going to go into my Teachable, where this course used to be hosted, and make sure I didn't miss anything. So when I click on Preview this course, I'm checking for additional downloads, resources that I included. So I had the slides and the workbook. So I'm going to go grab those and add that to this course area as well. To do that, you go to the lesson where you want to add the downloads. Click on the Downloads tab here. Click on Add New Download. Name the download, and then you add the file. All right, make sure you hit Save. And now we have 2 handouts added to that first lesson. And we're pretty much done at this point. Let me click through the course here and make sure I'm not forgetting any other handout. And now we get to the videos down here. Okay, so it looks like I've got everything I needed from Teachable. Now this course is ready to go. Next up, we're going to add some students, and I'll show you how to import them in bulk so you don't have to add them one by one. Last few steps on the course here, we need to go back to the course. We need to make sure the whole thing is published now. There's one accessed here, which is just called Basic, but the whole course is published and ready to go. If we click View Course, we should be able to see what it looks like. If we click to Resume Course, here's what the course platform looks like inside of SamCart. We got each of the videos here. The handouts are located down below. They can download those, and then all the videos are here. So if you want to add additional modules, you could. I just made this really simple. So go back to the course here, and on scheduling, I want people to get it instantly, but you can do drip scheduling if you choose to do that, and release entries by unit or by lesson. But I'm going to do instant access. Public details, I need to get the link out of SamCart. Quick summary, public thumbnail, looking for ads for launching. Hit save. I need to assign products to this. So I need to go find the ads for launching product that's in here. Ads for launching workshop. So anybody who buys ads for launching workshop has now been automatically given access to this course. And that's for going forward. This won't automatically retroactively add people to this course, but I've assigned products there. And I can also add some cross sells here. So let's say I wanted to add the list building workshop, or I like the email writing workshop. That's a new one I've been offering. Write better emails, make more sales. I don't teach email marketing in the ads for launching workshop. Button text, unlock now, and then pick an image. And now I've got my first cross sell added to the course area. So if people were to go to view this course, they should now see that there's a way to also enroll in the email marketing workshop, which is right here. So a really powerful way to make more money from each customer you bring through into your course area. And one of the big reasons I like SamCart. So we did do a couple of things in here in the dashboard now on this specific product. This is the ads for launching workshop product. If someone buys it, all I need to do now is toggle to go from order summary. Actually, I need to refresh it because now it's connected to the course. So let's see if it shows up now. So now that I've connected it, I now have a new option that says course auto enroll. When I click on that, it will now show them on the thank you page once they finish checking out how to access the course content that they bought. So that is pretty much it. The last thing we need to do is add students. So I'm going to show you how to grab those out of SamCart, export them, format them, and then bring them over and import them in bulk into this course area. To do that, you go to reports, you go to sales by product, and I forget when I sold this product. So ads for launching workshop. So only 9 people bought this workshop. It was a little bit higher priced workshop, but let's grab those 9 people anyways. So you just change the date to where you capture everybody is the way I found to do it. It brings in these people that bought it and click export CSV file. And then now that's going to be emailed over to me. I'm going to go grab that CSV file out of my email. Be right back. All right, here's the CSV file. I'm going to right click, open with Microsoft Excel because I find it has an easier text to columns option than in Numbers. Now I go back over here to the course area. I click on students, click on import students, select the course. This is ads for launching. Give them access to the basic tier so they can access all the content. And then I just browse the files here, grab my download with the CSV. It uploads those 9 buyers directly to the buyers area, and it sends them a welcome email saying that they've now been enrolled in this course. Click continue, complete the import, and I successfully imported 9 students. That just took a few minutes. I uploaded 8 videos. That's what took the longest. But the actual setting up of the course and connecting it to a product that you already sell in SamCart, as you can now see, is very, very easy. So check out SamCart, give it a try. The free trial is awesome. You can sell some stuff. You can make courses. I always try to join the free trial and then make a bunch of money during the trial period, so I can then justify the cost of the software, especially something like SamCart, where you're going to be making sales ongoing. This is a cornerstone of my business and something that I'll probably have for a long time. Hope you enjoyed this simple video, and I'll see you next time.